Ever feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day? What if I told you AI could give you back 2 extra hours every single day? Stick around, because I'm about to show you 5 powerful AI hacks that'll supercharge your productivity. Welcome to Channel Name, where we show you how to save time, get more done, and work smarter using AI. Let's dive in. Tired of drowning in emails? Use ChatGPT to summarize long emails and draft professional replies instantly. Just copy the email, paste it into ChatGPT and say, "Summarize this and draft a polite response." Done in 30 seconds. Instead of scribbling notes, let AI do it. Tools like Otter.ai automatically transcribe and summarize meetings. That means you walk away with a clean summary and action items without writing a single word. Need a social media post, blog, or ad copy? AI tools like Canva AI or Jasper generate polished content in minutes. Just give them your idea and they'll do the heavy lifting. Stop wasting time on repetitive tasks. With Zapier or Make, you can connect your apps so AI automatically sends files, updates, spreadsheets, or posts reminders. Imagine emails, Slack, and Google Sheets all updating on their own. Instead of spending hours on Google, let AI be your researcher. Perplexity AI gives instant sourced answers to complex questions. It's like having a personal assistant who works 10x faster than you ever could. Those are 5 AI hacks that could save you 2 hours a day, time you can spend on what really matters. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and download my free guide, 10 AI tools that save you hours every week. Link in the description.